What's going on, everybody? It's Brent. I'm back. Another Live Good update. Whoa, 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 whoa. No need for any of that. Uh, just wanted to jump on here real quick, talk about this amazing company. Uh, Rocking the new shirt. Love it. Let's jump over to the site. Uh, well, first of all, there is a new product. Some of you might have not known, but like I said, Live Good is constantly adding new stuff. So here we go. Learn more. The creatine. Look at this. This is what we're talking about. So many people were impatiently waiting for this to arrive, and here it is. 24.95 retail, 19.95. Let's just jump right down to what they're comparing it to. So I personally don't take the creatine, but there's a lot of buzz in the community, uh, in the testimonials group with different uh, people that are working out quite regularly and taking creatine through other means, and they are bragging about it. Not surprised. I've been really happy with every single thing so far. So if creatine is your thing, you got to give this a try. I mean, Live Good is just constantly upping their game, constantly adding products. You know, their health and wellness line, they're just stacking up phenomenal products, and they're going to reach a plateau, and then that's when they will open up to something new. I'm waiting for the oils to come out. That's just been a rumor. We all love essential oils, and I'm impatiently waiting for that one, like many other people. Uh, let's go back here. Let's see if they even have, when you get into this apparel. Yes, so this is the one. This is the new hotness. I really like this shirt a lot. Been been wearing it to a few functions while I'm out spreading my word around to people. Real happy about this. Um, so brand new products, same great business model. Live good. I don't know if you're not in. I don't know why you're not in. You should get involved today. They're doing great things here. Uh, you want 33 cents a day to be in this platform and running your own little e-commerce website. Just how are you not involved? It's cheap, no obligations. You don't have to handle any products. They handle all of that. All you need to do is, you don't even have to buy the products. But me personally, I don't get involved in anything that I'm not trying the products myself. I'm vetting them out. Um, any other, not even product based platforms that I promote, any other systems that I'm involved with, I run a little short period of time where I'm just testing it myself, whether it's a crypto platform or a marketing platform, whatever it may be, something from ClickBank, um, JVZoo, whatever it is, I get in myself. I need to see how user friendly this is, how well it works. LiveGood works like a well oiled machine. We're over 800,000 members. It cannot be wrong. Our retention is like 96% member retention. That's ridiculous. 9.95. Everybody's getting a piece of that pie. Whether you want to just sit back and just wait. If you waited 3 years and just sat back and did nothing but bought your vitamins or not, but just maintained your membership, and you had about $300, a little over $300 wrapped up, take 3 years hypothetically to build your matrix up as it builds around you, because the spillover is real. I am getting a bunch of spillover. I am creating spillover. It's just it's raining money here, if you will. And if it did take you 3 years to even 4 years or 5 years, you had 400 or $500 invested, you're buying vitamins and supplements that you're doing anyways. Um, you're going to be accruing money up to that point. The minute you hit $10 in your account, LiveGood will start paying out. So roughly once you have about 50 or 60 people in your downline that you didn't that just spill over for you, that's when you kind of be in that area to where you're making 9, 10 bucks a month and they'll start paying you. Now you're just hanging out and your membership's already paid for. So now you're just taking the ride. And uh if at 3, 4, 5 years you got a few $100s wrapped in here, but at that point now you're at that 2,047.50 a month. The first month payment that it hits that, you'll be like, wow, you've already quadrupled your money's worth. It's a no brainer. Give it a try. 90-day empty bottle guarantee on everything. No questions asked. Cancel anytime. I mean, they made it so easy for everybody that I just can't believe everybody just doesn't want a piece of this pie. Especially comparing it to Amazon or thinking about it like Netflix or anything like that, where we're paying subscription fees everywhere. And I know it's a little annoying that you're all these streaming services, or you're stacking them all up with subscriptions, but Live Good is breaking the mold. They pay you back for being a member. Think about that for a minute. You don't really need any know-how to do this. If you can share a link, you can make money. Just sit back and pay your membership, and it's going to take time. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not a pyramid scheme. This is not a Ponzi scheme. There's no scheme here. Those type of ordeals do not have a product. They have nothing to offer. Ponzi and pyramid, those type of things are just taking money to pay somebody else, and there's never a product exchange. Nothing really happens. Live Good has a product. The $9.95 that everybody pays a month as a membership, that's the piece of the pie that everybody gets, which keeps the sustainable. Period. There's no BS here with this at all. I can't stress that enough. Um, this is a really great thing. I'm glad to be in. This is in comparison to if you would have got in on Bitcoin when it was less than a penny a share. It's just that type of thing. Great products. We're bragging about good things to our friends and family for free, anyways. You should be bragging about this to them and get them involved. Something to be proud of. The supplements are great. The magnesium's great. The vitamins are great. The factor 4 is great. I mean, I can just go on and on and on. The CBD oil, great. The patches, both of them, great. Um, blah 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 blah. I feel like I'm a broken record, but I'm just so pumped about this and love it that much. It I'm a regular dude with a big family. This is passive income. You got to put a little bit of work in if you want it to grow beyond the couple $1,000s. You put a little work in, but nothing's free. You put in a little work or you're paying a little something. You don't get anything for free. I have my wife involved. I have my other family members involved. I have um, nurse friends involved. I have engineering friends involved because they see the vision here. And if you don't have multiple streams of income coming in, you're probably going to work until you retire. Let's think about trying to retire a little early. Or let's just think about getting, what if in 2, 3 years now you got that 2 grand coming in? Would that not help out your household? Even if you had $100 coming in after 6 months or a year, does that not help out your household? Does that not pay a bill? 3, 4, 500 bucks. Is that not helping or completely paying your car note? Think about that. Just for sharing a link, just for being a supporter of great products, just for maintaining your membership. This is the possibilities. Stop hesitating. Give it a shot. Cancel anytime. You're not locked in. You are not locked in. Cancel whenever you want. If it's not working for you, get out. You pay that one time $40 affiliate fee, and then the $9.95 a month. If you cancel your subscription or forget to pay it, and then you want to jump back in a few months later, you don't owe that $40. That's for life. You pay it one time for life. Yes, you will lose your place in the matrix, but you don't have to pay that again. You can get right back in. Um, it's great. So stop sleeping on it. You got questions? Reach out to me. My funnel link has I have more questions button. Press that button. That will get you in touch with me. We can talk about it. We can set up a Zoom or a Google Meet, whatever works best for you. Um, there's a PDF presentation on my page as well. Check it all out. Every bit of information you need to know about this company, how you make money, how you can do this, how you can do that, it's all there. Free Zooms every week, 3, 4, 5 days a week. There's a Zoom support meeting or training meeting, all free, part of being a member. They give you websites. If you're on my team, I will create an additional website for you for free just for being on my team. I want to watch my team succeed. I'm about helping others. I get my two. I help you get your two. Everybody gets two. We grow, we grow, we grow together, and boom, it's massive. And the earning potential is ridiculous. All right, I'm done with this rant. Live good. I'm living good. Stay healthy. Hope to see you on my team. Get a hold of me. See ya.